I'm the Gunny.
And I'm Ray.
And we're with Malakai Prime Media.
And we're on our way to North Charleston to visit the 50 Fest, celebrating the 50th anniversary of North Charleston. Now this is presented by Pinups and Pumps, featuring a car show, live bands, DJ, food vendors, lots of different things for the kiddos, lots to see. So we're gonna get on the road.
And we'll catch up with everyone after we get there.
Well, it was good to be back in my hometown. This is Casey Kenny's Blue Nova. What a beauty it is. It's got nitrous in it as well. Isn't he the cutest thing? Check him out. He's so squishy. Happy 50th birthday, North Charleston. Did you know that North Charleston is the third largest city in South Carolina? Did you know back in 1991, Mayor John E. Bourne Jr. lost his bid for his sixth term as mayor to Bobby Kynard, who became the city's second mayor. Kynard's tenure as mayor was tumultuous and was marked by repeated conflict with city council. Its members stripped Bobby Kynard of mayoral powers during the council meeting. Kynard resigned in '94, and since 1994, Mayor Keith Summy still holds the position. Lemonade here, get your lemonade right up here, step right up.
I work at Evo, and we are selling soft pretzels and slinging a couple beers today.
Awesome.
Yeah. Have a good.
And back to the cars. Don't forget to stand by for that drone footage coming overhead. Woo, look at this. I just learned that North Charleston is breaking ground on $20 million makeover of Park Circle. Isn't that nuts? Wow. That's going to be some nice stuff. Get down, man. Get down.
Don't forget that we always leave links to all the descriptions to all the places that we are in contact with in the description box. So go ahead and check it out.
Hey, tight just a little while longer because we're going to get you some of that top footage from Laserbeak. That's got to be the meanest looking Volkswagen Bug I've ever seen. Look at this pink Cadillac. Wow. Pardon me, do you have any gray poupon? Check out the little toy car, isn't that cool?
And here we're coming up on this very impressive and unique stage for the band, the Hot Club of Cowtown, and we also get to see the banner for the Pinups and Pumps, our event sponsors, and their car club, Low Income. I will leave the links to the Instagram and Facebook pages and home pages down in the description box.
And as we roll past this very unique stage, isn't this thing amazing? I have never seen anything like it, and I probably never will again.
And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, Laserbeak.
And we're going to come up on this very unique stage for the band Low Income. And then another banner set up for Pinups and Pumps. I will leave a link to the description below for their Instagram and Facebook pages.
And if you wait till the end, we got some more footage of some other cars on the other side. They're also just as nice, if not nicer. Things to do in North Charleston. North Charleston is the home to a number of parks and open spaces, including Danny Jones Park, Swamp Park, Woodall Park, Hillsdale Park, Philbin Creek, Tillman Park, and Liberty Hill Park. One can also visit the Charleston Museum, Patriots Point Naval and Maritime Museum, Children's Museum of the Low Country, and the Citadel Archives and Museum. Visitors can enjoy shopping at Liberty Mall Shopping Center, North Rivers Market Shopping Center, North Charleston Shopping Center, Brentwood Shopping Center, Otranto Plaza Shopping Center, and Pepper Hill Square Shopping Center. I can assure you the laser beak is not done flying for this video, so hold tight and you'll get to see a little more from up top.
Things like that. The outside bubble, the market's gonna pop.
We're here representing Southern Roots. We're selling some Wicked Weed, Bud Light, Shot Top,
Their homes up there,
Blood Orange, Meyer Lemon, and then we got the amazing food next to us. See the pig? Wanna get shot the pig? Alright, brisket sandwich with mac and cheese.
How can we reach out to you guys?
Website, phone call. This is Jason. He's part owner of Southern Roots. You get in contact with him.
Awesome. Okay. Awesome. Thank you guys so much.
We're here for catering.
And me and Ray would like to extend our gratitude to Pinups and Pumps, Viva Le Rock Productions, City of North Charleston, and the North Charleston Police Department for all allowing us to obtain this footage, fly the drone in the area for the short period of time we were allowed to, and get this information out to the public. We're so grateful for you guys to allow us to do this. Thank you, and we look forward to covering you guys again in the future.